Mopresidente Ramaphosa o tla leba Indonesia kopanong ya G20. O re Afrika e tlameile o amogelwa ho dinaga tsena e be karolo ya kopano ena e matla.
We will also be going there to advocate for the acceptance of the AU as a member of the G20. Like the EU is a member, we want the AU to be a member. We do not want South Africa to be the only African country that participates. So that is the agenda that we will be carrying to the G20.
O boetse a bolela hore o tla buisana le eo e tla ba tonakgolo ya naga ya Lesotho haufinyana.
I will be talking to the incoming Prime Minister who has a desire to speak to me, and I'm hoping that we will be meeting soon. The holding of that election, particularly against the background or backdrop of the reforms that we had been working on as SADC and as led by South Africa as facilitator, and in this regard I honor former Deputy Chief Justice Dikgang Moseneke for the role that he played in the last mile to ensure that those reforms are buttoned down. So we are proud as South Africa that we've been able to play a role, small role, in bringing stability to Lesotho.
Tibello ke hore tonakgolo e ntjha ya Lesotho e tla hlomamiswa bekeng e tlang. Sophie Mkwena, SABC News, Johannesburg.